In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo sent emails in Outlook Web. If you've ever sent an email too quickly and immediately noticed a mistake, Outlook Web has a helpful feature that can give you a short window to cancel that message before it fully goes through. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find that setting and how to turn it on so you can use the undo option whenever you need it. To get started, open Outlook on the web and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main Outlook page, look toward the upper right area of the screen and click the gear icon. This opens the Settings menu, which is where Outlook keeps many of its email preferences and customization options. After that, click Email to go into the email-specific settings. From there, find and click Compose and Reply. This section controls what happens when you write and send messages, so this is where the Undo Send option is located. Now look for the Undo Send setting. In this area, Outlook lets you choose how long the system should wait before your email is actually sent. This delay is what gives you the chance to cancel the message. Select the amount of time you want to use for undoing a sent email. In general, choosing a longer delay gives you a little more time to catch typos, missing attachments, or messages sent to the wrong person. If you often send emails quickly, this can be especially useful. Once you've chosen your preferred time, click Save to apply the change. This step is important because the setting won't take effect until it has been saved. After that, the feature is ready to use. The next time you send an email, Outlook Web will briefly show you the option to undo it. If you change your mind right after clicking Send, just click Undo during that available time window, and the message will be stopped before it's fully sent. This is a simple but very useful setting to turn on, especially if you want a little extra control over your outgoing messages. It can help prevent small mistakes from turning into bigger ones and gives you a moment to review your actions even after clicking Send. That's all you need to do to enable Undo Send in Outlook Web. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.